So guys, this is a question of NEET 2018. The question says that a body initially at rest is sliding down a frictionless track from height h. It just completes a vertical circle of diameter AB is equal to D. Then the height h is equal to, तो हमें ये height find out करनी है. So initially हमें क्या दे रखा है? हमें दे रखा है सर initial velocity of the object is 0. Initial velocity of the object is 0. So we see that there is the F external, no force external is acting on the object, so we can apply the conservation of mechanical energy. Conservation of mechanical energy states that mechanical energy initial is equal to mechanical energy final. Initial mechanical energy over here is kinetic plus potential, and over this point is also kinetic plus potential. I mark this as point A, I mark this as point B. So kinetic plus potential at point A is equal to kinetic plus potential at point B. So kinetic plus potential at point A. Sir, initial velocity is 0. So there would be no kinetic energy. Potential energy is equal to, sir, mgh. That is equal to kinetic, sir. Kinetic is half mv square. Half mv square plus this potential energy. I take this as reference point. So from the reference point there is no height, so potential energy over the point B is 0. Now to complete a vertical circle, this velocity should be equal to root 5 gl. This velocity should be equal to root 5 gl. So mgh is equal to half m root 5 gl square. m से m कैंसिल हुआ, स्क्वायर खोला, यानी कि gh इज इक्वल टू 5gl. that is equal to 2 by 5 into h, or we can write this h is equal to 5 by 2 into L. Now L is the length, this is L. We need to find a relation with the diameter. So length, 2 times of length is equal to diameter. What is L? L is equal to D by 2. So substituting the value of L, h is equal to 5 by 2 into D by 2, that gives us 5 by 4 into D. So the correct answer is 5 by 4 into D.